Welcome back. I actually have another mail call because some items I ordered came in also. Um, if you're wondering about the blinky light over here, I am charging LiPo batteries off this feather. So, at last three Adafruit purchases, I've been buying LiPo batteries. Yeah, you can tell how many purchases I made over $100 because you get one of these. Now, I'm sure I have like two more of these somewhere. I just don't know where they are. Maybe if I get 52. Oh, I think I found one. Oh, no. Didn't realize it was sitting there. Here's another one. Doink. So, yeah. Get these with every over $100. So, not much to do. I was working on this display and I actually ran into a little bit of an issue. This is so frickin' new of a design. All I can find is data sheets for version 2.0, and this is 2.2. I think if I do a multimeter trace, I think this block up here duplicates this block down here. But there's an extra block down here. I'm not sure what's going on. And it looks like there's a surface mount area for, it looks like a socket connection. And another one here for a socket connection. So it's like they really revamped this board. Well, we'll figure it out. I still haven't got the dot stars working, but we'll just move this over to our huge collection of stuff over here while this thing charges, and we need these out of the way. Put them over here. My little Twinkie Winky, my three displays. They can go there. My Circuit Playground Express. So, one item I picked up, of course, I told you about. To replace this. Well, what do we have here? So this is getting really stiff and crunchy. And can I get this out? Actually, I better get the cleaning thing here because I have a feeling there's going to be... Yes, that's what I thought. All that solder. Okay. Yeah, that thing's just full of solder. But here we go. Nice new one. Ooh. Supposed to be a thing where you lay your soldering pencil on, but I never use it. Now for the Adafruit box. Well, William, you just dropped something on the floor here. One sec. There we go. So, now, I'm not sure what happened with this one, but I managed to get this into Canada without duty. So, what did I do to manage that trick? I am not 100% sure. The only thing I can think of is the last two Adafruit boxes I bought were on credit card, and this one was bought on Amazon Pay. And I'm wondering if Amazon Pay managed to do the border thingy correctly. It's just part of their service. I have no idea. I'm just going to put that in there. So the 3-axis accelerometer. We have Circuit Playground, and this one, I believe, is it the Bluetooth one? Or is this the Bluetooth one? Which is which? Well, let's open one up and let's find out. They have 3 of them. Classic, Express. Okay, so this is the Classic. And compared... They end up with another Express? What did I do with the other one? Seeing I just had it here. Oh, up here. Here we go. So this guy here is the Express. We have the Classic. We have this one here. Which is from the other package. This is the Blue Fruit. Then we have this one. Two classics. That's funky. I don't remember putting 2 down. Oh well. Whoops. And another Blue Fruit. I guess I was not paying attention. That's funky. So I actually have 2 Blue Fruits. I have to remember what I buy all the time. So that's that. And 2 classics. In my Express. Okay, so what else we got in here? This is for the Express or the Classic, I think, or something like that. One of the. It's a gizmo to put on top of the gizmo. So it's the TFT gizmo. Goes on top of those guys. And of course, a bunch of screws. So. And yes, sirree, another one. And what else do we have in here? This was the little proto boardy thingy for the Circuit Python. Sorry, those guys. They fit this thing onto here, like so, and then they break out everything. So servo, signal, capacitive touch, NeoPixels, motor, drive. So, and then all the parts for it. That doesn't go back in the bag very well, does it? Whoops. There we go. And we've got 3 more lipos, so another 1200, another 2500, and another 500. And then I've got something new from them. The Adafruit Braincraft Hat. This is that thing that where JP was determining if his coffee mug was a coffee mug. So let's see what we got in here. So we've got this part goes on a Raspberry Pi. And we got a fan. And we got a little rubber joysticky thing that goes on here, right here. So what else we got in here? Dot star LEDs, a button, right mic, left mic, stemma, right speaker, left speaker, 8 ohm standard, headphone, GPIO 13, 5-way select, audio on off, and of course a screen. Then we got cooling fan and stuff. I suspect they go right here. Probably to help cool the Raspberry Pi a little bit. Oh, nice little fan header right here. Oh yeah, the camera cable. So that'll be something to work on later. Yeah, as long as that orange light is on, it's still charging. So now we can do a little assembly a bit. What are we going to put on here? Possibly this one? Or do we put on one of the classics? They are... So the classic is an Atmel. This is an Atmel. Bidirectional DC move 41 speaker to Nixel. Oh, okay. I see. USB debugger. That's what this is. Digital analog I/O pins. Lots of those. So which one to put on here, guys? Which one shall we put on? Classic or the Express? Okay, so this is the SAMD48, SAMD21. It is. Then why is there an Atmel on here? Oh, it is a 21. And this Atmel is... Oh, this one is equivalent of a Mega. So maybe we should put this one on. So, what do we got here? Lots of screws and standoffs. We need some screwdrivers. Where are my favorite jeweler's screwdrivers? William. Strippers. I don't know. Put them somewhere. Don't know where I put them, so I'll just have to use the iFixit kit. I like J2Sense's iFixit commercial. We interrupt this program to bring you iFixit. No, we interrupt this program to bring you iFixit. If you haven't watched it, it's pretty hilarious. So we have here that one. Damn Americans and their Phillips screwdriver. You think they'd pick up on the fact that Robinson is a better screw? Yes, let's start a flame war. Robinson versus Phillips. Dun 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 dun. So apparently I have to put 3 on one side and 3 on the other side. And this will determine which orientation I put it into, because they're marked A0, blah, 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 stuff like that. It's another one. Three to go. Yes, just remember, Robinson is a Canadian invention. It's a superior screw head, bolt head, screw head. If you don't think so, you can leave a comment. But if you've done any work in electrical, you'll know what I mean. There's nothing worse than trying to work on a light socket with a Phillips screw. And flat blade is just plain dumb. Okay, so they say on the board, ground SCL SDA. So let's find my ground SDL SCA. Ground SCL SDA. So it has to go this way. Well, that's funky. You don't fit. Now let's try this one. Ground is this the Express? Ah, you cannot put a classic on here. Classic is slightly different. So ground, yes, over here. Of course, the golden rule, don't put all your screws in at once. Tight. Get them all started, then tighten them up. And look, just enough parts manufacturing. That's right. We have exactly as many screws as we need. Imagine the person has to sit there at Adafruit and count screws out. One little screw. Ha ha ha. Sorry. Can't leak in some Sesame Street? No. Okay. Ta-da. We have an on-off switch for the 5 volts DC. And on this one, it is the other USB. This one. Well, that doesn't work. Works from here. It's probably because the board itself is not connected. Where's my little 5-volt line here? That is a USB line. Headers. Aha. One 5-volt line. Well, the top ones, except where they bolted them, the capacitive doesn't work down here. I wonder why. Well, works from up here. So blue, purple, yellow, red, blinky colors, orange, white. Well, kind of purpley white. So it doesn't work on the Cricut itself. I don't know why. I have to do some reading on this. Should be working down here too. Interesting. Oh, I'll say it did something. Something capacitive was down here. They have A1SS, and they have some stuff. Oh, they have the feet for this too. Well, let's put this back in the bag and put that in there. Close the iFixit thing. Let's put it over there. Now, in this box, bag, goodies, there was also, I thought I saw 4 feet. Did I pour them out already? Nope, 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 nope. Nope. Screen, breadboard, solar panels, a hat for the other one. Ah, here they are. They're still in the bag. Somehow they're stuck to the bag. Okay. So, on the bottom, they would have us place these little black feet. So, one goes here. One goes here. And one goes here. Last foot. Actually, I have a sheet of these feet. Square ones, actually, and some clear round ones. There we go. Now the Cricut is on the bench properly. That's garbage. That can go in the plastic trashy thing. Now there was the this attaching to a screen, so will it fit this one? Yes, it will. So this is the classic. So, as you can see, we have a whole pile of these little protector circles to remove. And I need something to stick them to. So a lot of these things on here. There we go. So It's 6 of them. Oh, that was a tough one. That's another one. That's another one. That's another one. 3 more to go. Whoops, that didn't work. Let's try it from that side. There we go. So I found I was pretty peachy the other day. My Visual Studio Code video for running CircuitPython made it to the Adafruit blog of all places. Woo. Okay, so 12. Well, it actually is a clock. Okay, so which ones are which? A1, A2, ground. Uh-oh. DC. Okay, so what do we got here? DC, CS, Mozzie. Okay, DC, CS, Mozzie. Well, that's a good question. How do you put the frickin' thing on? It's supposed to be on this direction. How do you put it on? A0, the sound. Number 2, number 3. Oh, that's a good thing. You're not very clear about this. Well, let's go by SC clock. Let's see, SC clock is right here. Well, that doesn't make sense. You think all 6 of these are lined up, but they're not. Are they expecting this one? Ground. They are. Son of a bitch. The classic won't work. What about the Bluetooth one? Are the wiring on the Bluetooth version? Let's check that one out. Ground A2, A3. So we're looking for SC, which is right here. SC lined up with SCL, ground. Mozzie lined up with SDA. CS lined up with RX. DC lined up with TX. Ground lined up with another one. Oh, I don't know. They're not marked. Are they actually not connected to anything? I mean, the Bluetooth one fits. Well, let's put the Bluetooth one in. So obviously, the classic one doesn't. And of course, we're going to need. We interrupt this thing for iFixit. No, we interrupt this thing for iFixit. And we need that Phillips again. Whoa. Didn't need it spinning around in a circle. Okay, here we go. There we go. There we go. Never done any Bluetooth, so I have no clue. Okay. You know, it's a good thing I have a kit for those little U thingies that you fasten to wire. Similar to like banana clips, but not quite. So I can make cables for this. Undo a screw, put it under the screw, screw it down. Voila, we have cabling. Feels like you're tightening the door on a reactor. All the screws, or a pressure vessel. Now, the only thing I think I just did wrong, I think I put it upside down. William should pay attention to what he's doing. Oh well. We end up doing more screws. Yes, I wonder what sort of sparks would have flown if I did this. So I think it's supposed to sit on top of this thing, not on the bottom of this thing. Okay, so SC clock, where was that again? Right here where my finger is. And SC clock was something like that. .3. That doesn't make sense. How about this way? How about this way? Okay, none of these make sense. Why would the 3.3 volt be sticking out in the midair like that? Damn it. If you're supposed to put the frickin' hat on the thing, why don't you bloody well do it? This does not make sense. Because the pins don't even line up. We've got an SC clock, a Mozzie, and a CS, and a DC on one side. If I put it this way, the SC clock pin goes on A3. If I turn this around 180 degrees, goes on the TX. See, this doesn't make sense. Um, oh, they do have it that way. Okay, fuck off. What the heck is going on here? So I did have it the right way. And let me show. Um, there we go. So they do have it this way. Okay. SCL. Yeah, so they do have it SCL, but which one do they have in there? Secret Playground Project bulbs. Right, okay. Great command for a Secret Playground. Thanks to. So, okay. So you definitely are this way. So, let's go back to the little video. So they got TFT Gizmo. Yes, so I do have it the right way. I did have it the right way. So it is not a hat, sort of in a sense. Oh, come on. Come on. Get in there. So it is this way. Okay, so blue fruit. So the express in that, but the classic won't fit on here. Oh, come on. Lots of screws to put in. Okay. So it is the right way. Okay. Let's get these in. Back to base. Let's not strip a screw, William. Come on. Last one. For a moment there, I thought it was a short one. Okay. So we apparently don't have to. Okay. So they're putting the USB cable onto the board itself. So let's put this away again. Go over here, iFixit. Go over here, bags of stuff. So this is a classic. That was a blue fruit bag. This is a classic bag. Yes, I didn't actually meant. I only meant to have like one of each of these things, not two. I don't know why. Oh well. Classic, classic, classic. That can go in the trash can. Okay, so where's my little cable here? So on the blue fruit. Right now we just have that. So this is a completely clean board. So yes, let's push that off the side of the screen. Go like that. Get rid of that. And go down here, mount the CircuitPy thing. Go here and open the folder. CircuitPy. Wrong CircuitPy. That is not the right one. That's because that's this one over here. Safely remove. Okay. Oh, I know why. Because it's not prepped for CircuitPy yet. We need to hit there we go. So now we need a Bluefruit file for this one, for that. Okay, so we need the Playground Express. We need the Bluefruit Energy one. And we need the primary guide. There we go. Okay. Guided tour. Pinouts. Circuit Python and Circuit Playground Bluetooth. Download the latest version. Okay, so over here, let's go to work. And no, here and Control T. We'll make another directory. And we'll go to work. And file, create new folder. And Circuit Playground BLE. So we have a place to put it. We download the UF2 file. We'll put it there. Okay. We copy the UF2 file. We go here, we paste. See if it's the right one. And we go to this. There we go. So now we have the brand new, all the lights are off. Okay, so now we can go do that. Oops. Where's my Visual Studio Code? There we go. Here we go. Open the folder. Classic Hello World. Downloads new bundle. Yada, yada, yada. Now, first thing we'll do is file, save as. No, not that. No. William. File, workplace, save as. Save workplace as. There we go. Circuit underscore playground or BLE. Well, this is BLE1. And save it. Okay. Look at our JSONs. Yeah, okay. That's good. Okay, so now we need some sample code. We go over here. So we need not these guys, not the libraries. So on our search, we need back. Nope. Back. This guy. We need the code for this. All right, go away. Go away. Fuck off. Okay. So description, blah, 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 blah. Primary guide to the circuit played on TFT gizmo. There we go. Okay, pinouts. Assembly. The TFT gizmo test. Once you've assigned to your playouts, you can test by loading one of the three pre-made UF2s. Okay, I don't want to do that. CircuitPython display IO quick test. Okay. Oh, that's interesting. Does that apply to the Bluetooth one? Okay, so I have the Bluefruit. Okay. To use this display, there are only two required libraries. Latest version of Adafruit CircuitPython on our board. Done. So we need Adafruit ST77. Adafruit ST7789. Control T. I need another. Whoops. Not you. Let's go back to the desktop. I need over here Control T. So I want Adafruit libraries, and I want the MPY bundles and lib, and I need Adafruit ST77 something 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 something. R no, so it's down here. MNSSD ST 7789. This one. Copy. Paste one file. And then I need Adafruit Gizmo. Adafruit. Nope, not there. Oops, that's the Pi one. Adafruit Gizmo. Oops, too far. D, E, F, G, GPS. Nope. How about higher up? E, F, Gizmo subdirectory. Okay. Copy. Lib. Paste. Okay, so we got that. Adafruit display text. This is another one we need. Adafruit display text. Copy. Paste one folder. Then we need the code example. Copy. And we go back over here. And we go here. And let's see how many I can't import things. And then we need a PI file for the MPY. There we go. Doink. Control V. Control S. Whoa. We do have something. Hello world. Here we go. Let me turn it over to base. It worked straight off the bat. Uh-oh. The peel. Peel. There we go. There we go. Hello world. Is that it? Well. There's a text line here. Hello world slash and answer 42. How's that? There we go. Hello world, answer 42. And we have it. Doing, 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 doing. It's not very visible. None of them very visible. Only the top cam can get this one. Kind of hard to see. It's a little on the bright side. But it works. TFT Gizmo works on the top of the blue thingy. So, okay. So that's a working thing I can play with. Ta-da. Okay. I think I will put this here. And, file, close workspace. Good. Safely remove. Good. Now, we were going to test, after I used the soldering station on the last episode, the temperature. So, I dug them out. Temperature gizmo on here on the multimeter. So, first of all, we're going to turn this on. Oh, my back. And then we'll turn the pencil on. And as it heats up, $308, $316, $324, $365. So, temperature. Now, there you go, body. Come on. Yep, I'm not a zombie. The multimeter proves it. So, oops. Let's try this again. Well, we can see right now I have it at 365, and this is coming up to at least 362. 3-4, a little hotter, but it's within 5 to 7 degrees. Not bad. So much for the reviews that say the temperature is inaccurate. It is not inaccurate. It actually is practically dead on. As they say in the industry, good enough for government work. I always say that, good enough for government work. So that proves that fallacy right there. And now that I have the pencil alive, I might as well put this one together actually right now. So what do we have here? We have corner ones. And this is what I want to put on here anyway. We need some tools. Oh, what's going on here? There we go. Tools. Tools? There. Tools. Yes, William, just drop a TFT display on the floor. Okay. So we have our little 3-axis detector, and I want to put angle pins on here. And so we have underneath 6 pins. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. We need some solder. Do we want to do it from the top, or do we want to do it from the bottom? And actually, I can't even remember how I did the last ones. How did I do the last set? Okay, here's a... No, that's that. Oh, here's some sensors. I did them from the bottom. Oh, here's a bunch. No, I did the Adafruits from the top. Okay. So if I did it from the top, I'll do it from the top on this one. Let's be consistent. Well, this has 2 sets. Ooh. And I need a copper clip. Well, that didn't work very well. I just need to get one soldered. There we go. Now we can do the rest. Is it straight? There we go. That's straight. Okay, so that's one side. That is the I2, A3, A2, A1, SDQ, and CS. Yeah, this one would have been better probably off the other side. They put the letters on the outer edge. They did on this one too, actually, but they split it, actually. Hmm. Oh, yeah, I could fix it. It's not hard to do. Yeah, this is going to irk me. Let's just fix this one. We'll have to wait till that heats up. The desoldering station takes longer to heat up. $253, $256. I wonder how they work on the inside. You know, how they detect a sensor? Okay, here we go. So, I think I have to clean the sponge on the inside. We're not sucking very well. We're still on really good. Well, we might not be able to change this. This one is soldered all the way through the holes and the sucker isn't sucking. Hmm. Oh well. I'll have to remember for next time. I'll have to take this apart. Because I'm pretty sure it's not sucking as good as it could be. I'll have to wait for it to cool. I won't have a look at it. Oops. But I can work on something else in the meantime. Which was... Well, that's definitely not 20 pins. Yeah, we need a longer one. I don't think I have any longer ones here. Pretty sure all these guys are not that long. They are 4 short of a load. So what we need, well, that is cooling. We need the pin box. This guy. And what's in this one here? Corner pins. This is what we need. Straight pins. Not corner pins, straight pins. Oh, I had a lot of corner pins. Another row of straight pins. Those guys can go in there. Oh, look. Pin with this bit of solder on it. Oh. Okay. So we need right there. Okay. Yes, I am trying to see if I lined it up good. Here, put that in the thing. We want a nice 90-degree angle. Yep, good. That was great. Technically, I don't have to run this in parallel. I can run it in serial mode. And I think this has a built-in SPI mode. As I said, I can't find a data sheet for this one. It's too new. I put a request into the supplier for one, because all the pictures he shows on the website are all the 2.0 versions of this board. Sorry, this display. And this is 2.2. There we go. And then we need another batch for here, right there. Now I'm tempted on this one actually to make this a right angle one. I've got lots of right angle. I've got this one right here. Ah, good Lord, William, you're 1 pin short of a load there. Okay. And I don't think of another row of right angles. I guess I'll just continue this straight through. Oh, that one's definitely bent. Now it's straight. There we go. So I'm pretty sure this guy's side here is SPI. It's got the 3 pins for it plus voltage, so we'll have to do some testing. But we're already at an hour and 11, so I'm going to cut it here. And of course, you know the usual. If you like it, click it. Do whatever you wish on YouTube. Hopefully you subscribe. Maybe I can get to 100 and get a title for this channel. But in the meantime, bye-bye.